Join me as I dive into the world of kennel cough in dogs. Kennel cough, also known as canine infectious respiratory disease, is a highly contagious illness affecting dogs of all ages and breeds. Symptoms include a persistent dry cough, runny nose, and sneezing. In severe cases, dogs may develop fever, lethargy, and difficulty breathing. The primary cause is the Bordetella bronchoseptica bacterium. It spreads through direct contact with an infected dog's respiratory secretions. Preventing kennel cough requires vaccination and avoiding contact with infected dogs. Keep your dog's environment clean and provide rest and hydration. Treatment varies. Mild cases need rest and antibiotics, while severe cases may need hospitalization. Work closely with your vet for the best treatment. Thanks for watching.